Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the DualSense above half so it won't die mid-process, and make sure Windows is up to date because drivers matter. Once done, decide wired versus wireless. Use a data-capable USB-C cable for instant connection or enable Bluetooth on your PC. Next, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Device, Bluetooth. Put the controller in pairing mode by holding Create and PS buttons until the light flashes, so Windows can discover it. Once connected, handle drivers and compatibility. Windows usually installs drivers automatically for USB, but verify in Device Manager to avoid generic HID issues. For Bluetooth pairings, make sure the device appears as wireless controller. Update or roll back drivers if it shows errors because stability depends on correct drivers. Then open Steam, enter Big Picture or Controller Settings, and enable PlayStation 5 configuration support. This provides full button mapping and gyro support, so games recognize the DualSense properly. Finish by testing and calibrating. Open Steam's Controller Test or Windows Gamepad properties, press every button and move sticks to detect dead zones, then recalibrate if you see drift. If the connection drops, make sure to toggle Bluetooth, repair the controller, or switch USB ports and cables because ports can be flaky. For stubborn issues, reinstall DS4 Windows or update the DualSense firmware via console or official tool, and reduce wireless interference by moving other 4 GHz devices away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.